And welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. The women's 100 meters at Saturday's Jamaica International Invitational will see the veterans looking to keep pace with members of the rising young generation. Tonight we begin our countdown to the 14th staging of this IAAF World Challenge meet.
2008 Olympic 100-meter silver medalist Karen Stewart has been searching for her best form for the past few seasons. But Stewart, who also took bronze on the 200 meters at the Beijing Olympics, has had one of her best ever starts to a season, clocking 11.12 seconds and a win-aided 11.02 in Auburn last month in the USA. The 2009 World Championship 100-meter silver medalist, who spent the last 2 seasons in Jamaica with the Racers Track Club, is now back with college coach Bahamian Henry Roll at Auburn University in the USA.
I decided to go back there because he knows me the best. And sometimes it's not about the coach or how great the coach is, but it's about that coach knowing you and understanding you and how your body works. And I mean, that's mainly one of the main reasons for me to go back to Auburn.
Stewart, who is no stranger to winning the 100 meters at the Jamaica Invitational, says she's hunting a special performance this year and will be looking to feed off the home crowd.
Anytime I get to compete in Jamaica, it's a big thing because that's where my career started. The crowd, I don't know what is it with that stadium, but every time you step foot in that stadium, it's just greatness.
2016 Olympic finalist Christania Williams will also be among the mix on Saturday in the women's 100 meters. With only a best of 11.33 so far this season, Williams reveals she had an early season setback.
Still early, I'm still talking things through with my coach, and I'm kind of having a back problem right now, but it's coming on. It's nothing serious, but it's coming on.
But the 22-year-old says she's ready to kickstart her season and explains where her focus will be for Saturday's race.
For now, time really is not important. It's just to get my form and shape.
Stewart and Williams will face off with the likes of Americans Allyson Felix and Jenna Prandini, as well as Trinidadian Michelle Lee Ayi in the 100 meters. The Jamaica International Invitational will be the first of 10 IAAF World Challenge meets this season. Live coverage of the meet can be seen on TVJ and OneSpotMedia.com. Live commentary will also be on Hits 92 FM. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.